How to make money online by chatting, coming right up. Hey, what's going my friends? Miller here and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 websites where you can make money by just chatting, and you can do this at home. And before we go on to the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online. And if you're interested on this type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified of the latest videos that I upload. Alright, let's get on to the video. So the first website that I would like you to check out if you want to make money online by just chatting is called the chat shop. So basically, you're here as a customer service representative where you're going to be helping out customers from various companies and dealing with such technical issues and stuff. So you're going to have trainings on this one, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you want to make money just chatting on people, this is one website for you to check out. So again, it's the chatshop.com. All the links of the website will be on the description down below, so make sure you check that out as well. So the next one is actually one of my favorite. Is they call the Apple.com. Imagine working with Apple and you're here as a customer service representative. So you're going to be helping out again customers of Apple on technical issues and stuff. But again, don't worry about that. You're gonna have trainings on this one, and you will have like an outline on your computer where you will just have to just guide them based on the guidelines or the outline on on the technical issue. So if I want to work with Apple, this is one way for you to do it at home. It's called Apple.com job. So I'm gonna be putting this specific link on the description down below. The next website is called Support.calm. Again, you're gonna be here as a call center agent. Just be on the chat support. So you don't have to be very technical or knowledgeable about anything else, because they will train you. They will provide you with tools for you to help out on your customer service representative. And anyway, it's an easy way to make like it's an easy way for you to make $10 to $13 per hour just by chatting at home, right? So the next website is called Liveperson.calm. So Liveperson.calm, again, you'll be a customer service representative. You're going to be helping out other companies deal with their customers. So you won't have, they will still train you. They will give you the support that you need to have that, so you can assist other customers. All right. The other one is called Sitestaff.com. So Sitestaff.com again is another way for you to make money online. Like you can earn $10 to $15 per hour by just chatting on people with dealing with customer service issues. So if you want to do that, this is one website for you to check out as well. All right. So I hope you get value from this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section down below and let me know which website you tried out and which website that you actually like working with. All right, guys. So Miller here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.